Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is 19-year-olds learn how shoplifting becomes a felony. Come on, man. That mean they was stealing a lot, man. Let's go.
On October 16, 2021, officers responded to a call from Walmart concerning 3 women attempting to shoplift.
You're hilarious. Come here. Come here. Put your hands right back right now. Put your hands right back. I already told you.
What did I do?
We're gonna figure it out in a second, but why are you running through this parking lot?
I was looking for him, yeah.
Sit.
I told him I didn't have it in my bag. I offered to
Sit.
go. Okay. I offered to go back through
I was
self-checkout,
looking
and he was
for
like,
her.
the cops
Sit
are
down.
on the way.
Okay.
Sit down, you two. Where's the other one?
She's in the store.
Look,
We have a receipt.
so
for
the
her.
reason that y'all darting out, sit against the car,
I
please.
didn't dart out, sir.
The reason
I
y'all
literally offered
all
to
were supposed to
call my
y'all
money.
all are supposed to stay there
Yes.
when they were talking to y'all, and then you
He
decided
just
you were gonna
said
try
that
and
he was
step off.
calling the cops, so I
Right.
offered to go back through the line to get a receipt, and he said he was calling the cops, so I just left the cart and left. Because I don't cops for what, you know?
Charlie 49 Central. I have 2 detained. That's all.
I asked him if he wanted me to go back through the checkout line, and he said no. He was
Okay, then
calling
why is
the
she
cops.
running?
I was looking for her. I thought she went over there.
She was right behind you. Stop.
I wasn't running. We weren't trying to.
Can you stop with the voice, please? Am I speaking to you in a calm tone? I'm speaking to you in a calm manner.
Right. I've never been in trouble in my life.
Can you stop messing with your purse, please? Just zip it up. I'm good with it. Which car is yours?
What, baby?
Which car is yours?
It's a Honda.
Where it at?
Honestly, I don't even know where I parked at.
Y'all lost it?
Yeah.
Can you take a seat with everybody else, please?
Sanford, honey.
Sanford? What's your address?
Orlando.
What brings you up here?
I'm sorry.
What brings you up here?
I live with them.
Gotcha.
That's just the address on my ID.
You can sit down. Chill. What about you? Take your hand out from under your shirt, please. You're bugging me.
He's got 2 detained on a shoplifting at Walmart.
Is this mom?
Yes.
Does anybody have any weapons or anything sharp on them at all? No? Okay, let me see your bag real fast. Why is it all small denominations?
What do you mean? I'm a dancer, sir.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm a dancer in Daytona.
Turn your pockets out for me?
Yeah.
Just put everything on the car. Whoa! There you go. Let me see your bag real fast. You can put that stuff back in your... Actually, no, just leave it right there for a sec. Is this good or something?
I don't know. I never tried it. They are.
You just trying to find out?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your phone down? Okay. Seat's good. Turn your pockets.
I don't got pockets.
You don't have pockets? No. Nothing at all?
No.
Okay. Mom, can you step forward just around the bag? Okay. Does anybody have any outstanding warrants? No?
I've never been in trouble in my life.
I'm going to be honest with you, I just got arrested.
Last year calling transport, repeat your ID.
So I went to court and just got out.
Okay. Why are you driving no license?
I didn't know it was suspended. I had failure to pay that I didn't know about.
Okay.
19 years old. That was my first time.
So, real quick.
Yeah.
They were all together for sure?
All 3 of them.
Okay.
Yep. So what happened was the
Charlie
lady
90
in
is on
pink, like this one right here, closest to me. She was buying a drink or whatever.
That form all filled out.
The other 2 were standing up at the customer host with the cart, talking to the customer host in the front of the store. So once the other girl was done checking out, she met up with 2, and they all 3 proceeded out the door. The one with the pink hair was pushing the cart, but inside the store,
They were all 3 of them were participating?
Yeah, they were all putting everything in the bags.
Okay. Alright. So, this is what's up. Everybody's right now under arrest for shoplifting, okay? No one's free to leave. Alright, Mom, you're gonna take a seat inside the car for me. I don't think so. How many times you got in trouble for shoplifting? Never? Alright, then you're not going to jail then.
I've never been in trouble.
Okay, well, it's always the first time, right? Sit down. What do you
I
have
don't
a
want to
reason
go
for?
back in there.
Okay, well, you can't be out here stealing shit, right? It's frowned upon, right? Can you keep your shirt down, please?
Yes, sorry, it's fine. I offered to go back. It really was.
That's not how that shit works.
Bags to make room for stuff, and I was sitting there talking, and I got distracted.
I copy,
That's why when he said
1433.
that I didn't pay for it. I told him, can I go back and pay for it?
That's not how that shit works. You know that, right? stealing is stealing. No, but y'all, when y'all sitting in my car, you're not gonna just be out here free doing whatever you want.
I'm under arrest, sir.
Yeah, I told you all that.
So I'm going to jail.
What part of? Okay.
Yes.
What did I just say to her?
I didn't hear you, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't think that y'all are going to jail right now.
Okay.
But I'm gonna run y'all's criminal history, and if you guys have been stealing shit for a bunch of times, then that is kind of what it is. So now. So you stopped. Why'd you stop?
Because I had my receipt, I had just paid for my shit. I thought they already paid for it. But I was at the first register, like when you walk in, it's the first register.
Okay. Take that sweater off. Do you have anything? Do you have anything in here? No? Okay. Make room for one more.
Good job, Mom.
Y'all fucking with me, huh? I had to fill up my whole car. I'm gonna turn around and just pull right over here. We're gonna see what happens as far as what all the totals were for everything and figure everything out, and then from there we'll determine what's going on.
I'm typing my report right now. The total before tax was $949.
Woo!
Yep, $949.94.
Okay. 949.
Do they want us to pay that?
No, I don't think so. God damn.
We are a felony.
Why isn't it never just like one large item?
Sorry.
What car do they come in? Did you ask them?
It's a Honda. It's over there somewhere.
There's nothing in there.
Well, our concern is it possibly being left here for a while. So,
Are you serious?
well, due to the amount.
I literally asked them if they could just pick it up.
Please, I can't go to jail. My
I have
mom's
a
in the
daughter.
hospital.
Like, I have a baby. I have a 1-year-old daughter. So please, I just got out of jail. I have a...
Now you see what you've done. So essentially, what happened is you guys stole too much stuff, and so now you guys have taken away my ability to be cool about it.
Please, can we just pay for it?
That's not how it works. Y'all know that, right?
I cannot. I'm literally...
Should have paid for it the first time.
I'm 19.
I'm empathetic to that, but at the same time, y'all stole a bunch of shit.
I know, and we'll pay it. I don't think we will pay it.
Are you really gonna take us to jail?
Yeah, I have to.
Please.
It's a felony.
I will pay.
Hold on. If someone did some felony shit to your family, you'd want them to go to jail, right?
I understand.
Please, we've never been in trouble like this. Please, can you just give us one chance?
Please, you can have all the money in my purse.
No.
Pay it all.
Y'all need to stop, because we're gonna tread towards bribery, and I'm not trying to do it. Just
Pay?
please
I just
stop.
wanna pay for what?
Stop, guys. Please stop. We all have to be adults about this. Y'all made an adult decision to do something, and y'all messed up.
Bunch of idiots.
I don't know how many I'm allowed to transport, but I got 3 back here right now.
That's how many you fit, right?
Yeah.
That's the max.
That's the end of my handcuffs too.
Oh shit. $1,000 worth?
Well, before taxes, it's like 940 something.
That's a felony, my boy.
Yep.
I asked him when he stopped me if he could just rebring.
That's not how it works
that's
though.
not
Where
how
you
that
guys like run for a base and then like
Did you search him?
you ran. No, I didn't search. I had him turn out the car.
So first we gotta find out which cars there's.
It's a Honda and it's blue.
Who drove here?
Huh?
You drove here?
Yeah, I drove.
Where's your car?
It's over there. It's a blue Honda. Are you guys towing it?
Yeah. Blue Honda what?
No, I'll have somebody come get it.
Blue Honda what?
A Honda CRV. Please don't
What
tow
year?
my car. It's a 2011.
2011 Blue Honda
Come
CRV?
get it. Please
Okay.
don't tow my car. They'll come get it. I promise. Somebody will come get it. Please.
See, the thing is you lost the privilege to kind of run things how you want to when you try to steal almost $1,000 worth of things from Walmart.
My
So,
car towed. Please.
who's it registered to?
I mean,
Okay. I'll go find that car and give them the tag. You're gonna head out?
I was just gonna take them to 4, and because they're like losing their minds, I gotta go to the bathroom, all that bullshit.
Oh, yep, that's fine. I'll take care of this. Do you need anything from Walmart?
I think that's everything.
Yeah, I think I got you everything.
I'll say I can't think of anything else.
Alright, so I'll just find this.
Nope, this way.
Can you get my bag, please? My purse.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab all that and I'm gonna confer with you guys what all is what, because all your shit kind of got lobbed together for a second. Step up.
Oh wow, I never seen the inside of this before.
Oh, it's hot as fuck.
I'm gonna turn there. Slow down, please.
Both of us?
No, we're just gonna do one at a time. Watch yourself, watch yourself, watch yourself. Here
Great
you go.
example for your kids, mom.
Yeah.
Got stripper daughters stealing together.
What? Yep. Female segregated from males by sight and sound. Come on. Up. Like I was telling the other ones. Step. I don't want to hit you with the door. Keep going. I'm going to bring all y'all stuff, and then I'm going to separate everything into individual bags, okay?
Okay. Well, that's not your thing. What the fuck is this?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.